Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a challenge of sorts. So basically what we're going to do is the new Pringles just came out. The Pringles Loud is what they're called. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give, there's like 5 of them, and I'm going to give the kids each individual ones to give them a try to see if they can actually figure out which one is which. Now they know all the flavors, and some flavors they expressed that they didn't want to try, but they don't know how they taste yet, and they aren't going to know which ones are which. So I'm going to give them to them and see what they actually like. So it's like the ultimate challenge for kids, because they always say that they don't like something and they've never tasted it. So they've never had these, they don't know what they taste like, they can't say they don't like it because they've never had it. And I'm not going to tell them which ones they are, so they're not going to know which ones are which. So they can't really say they don't like them. So it's really fun parent challenge to see what they actually like compared to what they say they don't like just because of the name. So let's get started.
Do we have to close our eyes?
No. I'll put them on the plate down here.
We don't have to close our eyes. And when I do it, I'm going to be like this. I'm going to be like this. Well, it does taste like, chili cheese. Oh.
That's the first one. Go ahead.
Here you go. Yummy. Margarita pizza.
It's good? You like that one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was good. That was Italian cheese.
I thought you said it was margarita pizza. Which one did you say it was?
I'm gonna go with Italian cheese. Oh yeah, Italian cheese. Well, it does taste like good, but the sweet is too special.
This is the second one.
No, and the chili. It's probably the spicy chili one. No, this one looks like pizza. Okay. Fire chili one.
Alright, try one. You didn't like it?
Fire chili one.
Is it hot? It's not hot.
It's actually good. I mean, if they would have taken the spiciness out and made it lime, that would have been awesome. But it should have been cool. But it does taste like hot. Really? But it does taste like fire. Fire doesn't taste
That's the next one.
Mighty Margarita Pizza.
You like it, sis? You don't like that one either?
I could try the next one. It's the pizza one. Oh man, I'm let down by the pizza one. It doesn't taste like the Pringles pizza ones.
Next.
Examining closely. Cosa Fiesta.
And the last one.
This one is tasty. Left bit. Spicy.
Cameron's actually already had that one, so he knows which one that one is. He had that one the other day.
Sweet.
And so did she. So what do you guys think?
That was awesome. I liked them all. I mean, the fire chili, no.
So in case you guys missed it, as I was showing, these are the ones they had in the order they had them in. These are all the new Loud Pringles they got out.
Yes.
They're
Yes.
pretty good. Alright, reach in there and grab your favorite one. Which one's your favorite?
I like Italian cheese, spicy queso. I was just let down by Mighty Margarita Pizza. I like these ones.
Alright guys, so that is it for the video. Fun little challenge we had there. The new Loud Pringles, or Pringles Loud, however they want to call it. So that's it. Make sure you like the video if you like the video. Comment down below, and subscribe if you guys actually have had the Pringles Loud. Let us know which one is your favorite. And
To each their own.
to each their own, guys.
And blah, blah, blah.